Creating an engaging company page. Hey there, friends. The next step is to create a company page that can represent your brand, company, or business on LinkedIn, and that you can use to distribute content on the platform. Company pages offer the same function of brand pages on social media sites like Facebook. They help you build a separate presence, to post company updates, to distribute industry-sensitive content, and to run advertising campaigns. With that in mind, we've designed this lesson to give you a clear guide on how to create your own company page from scratch, the right way. Getting started. Start on your LinkedIn account homepage. From there, click on the Work option in the top bar menu. Scroll to the bottom of this menu, and then click on the Create a Company Page option. Creating the company page. Next up, you have to select the page type. The page types available include small business, medium to large business, showcase page, and educational institution. Here, you'll simply have to select the page type that best describes your business as it currently is. In general, it is best to select small business unless you run a large company with more than 200 employees. Now that you've selected the page type, it is time to personalize the company page. Let's start on the page identity section. First, enter the name of your business into the name field. Next, customize the company page URL in the LinkedIn public URL field. Now add your company's website URL into the website URL field. Alright, let's now move to the company details field. First, click on the industry menu button to select your niche. Now click on the company size menu button and select the number of employees or members in your company. Now click on the company type menu button and select your company type. Let's now move to the profile details section. Let's upload the company logo first. For this, click on the Choose File button. Locate your company logo in your files and double-click on it to upload it. Nice! Now you're going to add a brief description of your offers or products into the tagline field. Now take a moment to check the page preview section. This is a preview of the top card that users will see when they visit your company page. You're almost done now, so tick the checkbox in the Agreement section, and then click on the Create Page button. Customizing the company page. There are additional details that you can add on your page after you create it. Let's start by adding a cover image. For this, click on the Edit button in the Cover Image block. Then click on Upload Cover Image. Locate the cover image that you'll use on your page, double-click on it to upload it, and then click on Save. Awesome! Now click on the Edit button in the top card column. Here you are going to add additional details to your page. For instance, if you want to add a call to action button to your page, click on the Buttons tab. Now click on the Overview tab. First, add a description of your company into the description field. Next, enter your company website's URL into the website URL field if you haven't done so already. Then click on Save. If you'd like to add a physical address to your company page, click on the Locations tab, and then click on Add Location to add your address. Now you're going to add SEO optimization to your page. For this, click on the Hashtags tab. Now click on Add Hashtag, and type a hashtag into the hashtag field. You can add up to 3 hashtags. You can click on Save after you are done adding your hashtags. Linking your company page to your profile. That was an awesome job. Now that you are done creating your company page, it is time to link it to your profile. Start by clicking on the Profile menu button. Then click on View Profile. Now move to the Intro block and click on the Edit icon. Now click on Add Current Position. Next, enter your title into the title field. Now click on the Employment Type menu button and select your employment type. Now type the name of your company page into the company field. Then select it from the results. Next, enter the location of your company into the Location field. Now select the date when you started doing business with your company in the Start Date field. If you want your position at your business to appear as your profile headline, make sure that Update My Headline is checked. Then enter a description of what you do in your business into the description field. Lastly, click on Save to finish. And that is it.